A new day is dawning in the electronic manufacturing industry. Metcal soldering systems have led the way with SmartHeat technology for 35 years. SmartHeat senses the thermal load and instantly delivers power on demand directly to the joint. The precise amount of power is delivered using a self-regulating heater embedded in the tip. This provides a fast, safe, and repeatable process with no calibration required. Now, Metcal is raising the bar again with a technology that will forever change hand soldering. Currently, the industry standard is based on a visual inspection of the solder joint. Metcal has developed a better way. Introducing connection validation. The intermetallic compound thickness is critical in the formation of a solder joint. Connection validation evaluates the quality of the solder joint by calculating the intermetallic compound formation and providing closed-loop feedback to the operator. Using patented chip and cartridge technology, the Metcal connection validation system enables bidirectional communication between the cartridge and the power supply. This innovative chip and cartridge technology delivers traceability information to the user. Connection validation provides feedback to the operator via a light ring embedded in the handpiece. Successful intermetallic compound formation triggers a green light, signaling to the operator that the ideal solder joint is created. Metcal's new power supply incorporates a large color touchscreen with bold graphics, power meter, password interface, and power curve display. The displayed information can be accessed via a communication port for analysis. The Metcal soldering revolution continues with connection validation. SmartHeat, made smarter. Exclusively by Metcal.